Hi friends, in this video, you will learn how to swap two variables in Python. See the output here. The user is asked to enter the inputs, x and y, then, the value of x and y after swapping is displayed. Let's get into the code. Here, we are using a temporary variable named temp to swap the variables. Well, initially, take the input values, x and y, from the user as shown here. Then, we use the temp variable to hold the value of x temporarily. Then we put the value of y and x. And later, we hold value of temp and y. In this way, the values of x and y get exchanged. Swapping is done. Then, print values of x and y after swapping, using print statement. Let's see the output.